Hello ClickBank community. In the following video, we will talk about the Paychecks section under the Reporting tab. This screen displays all of your payment information. Starting in the left-hand corner, you can see your earnings for the current and previous years. Below this, you will find a table with all of your payment information. The first column is payment frequency. The letters BW represent bi-weekly and W represents weekly. You can adjust this setting on your My Account screen. Next, you can see the period ending date. By clicking this date, you can see all of the transactions and fees calculated into your payment. The next column is the balance forward. If for any reason you have an unpaid balance at the end of a pay period, those funds will be moved here and added to the next pay period. Credits is next. This column shows the dollar amount earned for that pay period. Debits shows refunds, chargebacks, and any fees. Please be aware that returns and chargebacks are backdated 7 days for accounting purposes. For example, if a return is processed on a Thursday after the pay period ends, the debit is applied to the previous pay period. The next two columns are related. Whenever we send a payment to you, we withhold a fraction, usually 10%. These funds are used to cover any future refunds or charged back sales. Because we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, a customer may request a refund after you have been paid for the sale. The allowance helps cover the loss in case there are no new sales in the account. We also reserve the right to adjust your return allowance at any time. The allowance column will show you the amount withheld and deducted from your payment. We hold these funds for 12 weeks or about 84 days. The release column is the amount that is returned after the 12-week holding period. When an allowance is released, you will see a strike through over that amount. Next, you can see your payment net balance. This is the USD amount that we pay you. If the amount is in parentheses, you have a negative balance. Accounts with a negative balance for over 6 months will be automatically closed. We will not send a warning or notification about the account closure because we expect clients to be logging in and monitoring their accounts. Under status, you can see if the payment was or wasn't sent. If you see CDR, this means you have not met the customer distribution requirement. If you are not aware of this policy, you can find it in the Status Definitions box underneath the Payment Summary table. If the status says Suspend, your payments are being held and you need to contact us to learn why and what steps you need to take to receive your payment. If the status says Threshold, then your account has not earned enough for us to issue a payment. You can adjust the threshold on the My Account screen under the Settings tab. If for some reason you have not received a payment and you are no longer earning money in your account, please contact us. If your account has a positive balance for over 90 days with no new sales, it will be considered dormant and we will assess a fee every pay period. You can read more about this policy in the client contract. The date sent is the day that we actually send the payment. Even though you may see a payment reported here, the date sent may be in the future. Please check this date before contacting us or your bank for the payment. The payment method is how we send you the funds. This can also be adjusted on the My Account screen. Finally, you can download a CSV file displaying the transactions for the selected pay period. For more information on understanding how we pay, please visit the knowledge base and search for Paychecks. Thanks for tuning in.